Okay. Are you able to see my screen, my friend?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is a banking project. Okay. And this is a table structure. Okay, guys. What is the table structure? I can show you. And we are working on that. Okay. And the second thing here, this is a data for that table data. Here you can find all the things. Okay. So first of all, let's create these tables in SQL Server and then try to connect the SSIS and see the data. Clear, everyone? So let's discuss about this one first of all. Okay. So in the real world, whenever you work on any real-time project in the banking or any project type, okay, and this is called a ER diagram. Okay. Basically, ER diagram always show you. Okay. The ER diagram show the relationship between tables.
So what is the meaning of ER diagram?
Yeah, I'm explaining. Okay. ER stand for entity relationship diagram.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So any real world object is called entity and every entity has some properties. Okay. True. Like human. So human have property like a male have property. So the relationship between the two tables or entities is called ER diagram. Clear, everyone? Is this clear to all of you? So if you see here, I am saying this is my table. Table name is bank. Okay. In this table, I have a three column. So my entity is bank. Okay. And the property of the bank is these three columns. Clear, everyone? Anyone? Any question? Please ask.
Yes, sir. Table
So
is good, but that's all connected with each other, sir. This table and
yes, I will explaining one by one. Okay.
okay.
So now, whenever you work on the real world project, so always there are two type of table, guys. One table is called master table, okay, and in here is called dimension table. Okay, the second table is called transaction table, and here is called fact. So now in the master table, okay, maximum column are varchar. Okay, clear, everyone? Maximum column are varchar. And here in the transaction table, column are numeric. Clear, everyone? So let's see. So look at this. And whenever we want to create any data model, okay, this structure is called data model. We always try to create first independent table. Okay. So look at this here. If you see, there is no arrow in this table. Did you see? Did you notice, my friend? Everyone reading the data. So that means first of all, we need to create this table, then this table, then this table. Okay. Clear, my friend? Any question? Please ask. Why we are choosing this table? Because look at this. Everyone is reading, consuming data from this table. True, guys. So this table is independent. That means this table is not dependent upon any column or any type. Clear? Any
Yes, sir.
question? Okay. Now, if you look this table, okay, this table is dependent. How can I know that this table is dependent here? Look at this here. The bank ID and the bank ID. True, guys? This bank ID is taking a reference from the bank table bank ID. Clear, everyone? Any question, any query, my friend? Same manner here, the customer. Let me show you one other. Customer. Customer table is independent table. Okay. All the lines are outgoing. There is no line is incoming. True, guys? Same like a ATM. No, ATM is like taking a difference from the ATM ID, bank ID. Clear, everyone? Any question or any query? Same like a transfer transaction. So if you see, guys, these are the column are normally called master table. Okay? Clear, everyone? Any question, any query, my friend? So whenever we create on the any project, whenever we work from the project, from the scratch, we always create master table first. Okay? So I'm writing the master table like a bank. Okay? Product master, channel master. Okay, guys? Customer, date, transaction type master. Okay? Transfer transaction. Okay. Now, so first of all, we are going to create this master table. Now, whenever you create any master table, guys, okay, do you know how to make a relationship between two table? Everyone,
Like
what is
foreign key.
meaning of
Foreign
PK
key.
here, guys?
Foreign key.
No, it's a PK. PK means
Oh,
primary
it's
key.
primary key, but we
If
make
they write,
relationship.
if they write foreign key, that means they can say that FK.
Yes.
Okay. So
Mhm.
let's start. I'm sharing this file to all of you. Okay. Let's start working on that. What do you think, guys? So first of all, let's complete the SQL part and then we can move to the SSIS part. Okay, my friend?
Okay, sir.
I'm sharing this file. Or do one thing, na? First of all, create a fresh data set, database. Okay, please everyone, step one. Step two. Okay, so file in your bucket, please everyone download. And now working on the same step. Step one, create a new database. Name is bank. Step two, create the master table. And during your creation in your Excel, if you find any ununderstandable arrow, please let me know, guys. I will tell you. But during creation of the master table, we don't need to worry about the arrow because arrow indicate that how the table are connected to each other.
We should give a bank name or just leave it as a bank.
No, the table name is bank.
We put it.
Raman sir, can you move your cursor? Is there anything after transaction type master?
No, transaction we don't need to type master. Yes, it's a master table here.
Can you remove your cursor? I think there is one more, right? After that. No. Can you go back to your note? Okay, transfer transaction. Okay, that's
Yeah.
fine.
So are we creating just the bank table or whatever you're showing on the notepad, product master, channel master, all that?
These are we need to create a new database that we're creating in the bank. Name is bank. Okay. The database name is bank. Okay.
Mm.
Inside the database, we need to create a table called bank.
Okay, that's it for now, right? Right? Or
You need to create all these tables.
okay.
And the structure given in the Excel file now.
Got it.
Hey, Raman sir.
Yes.
I think there is a mistake in the transfer transaction. You said the constant is foreign key, and then how can this be a master table?
This one?
Yes, this one.
It's a PK. Sorry. Very
It's a
good.
PCAT. Okay.
Because foreign key means, okay. No, it's the PK here.
Yeah, that should be PK. Okay.
You can also correct in your Excel file also, right?
Can you look at the FCT branch transaction table? So the first one, right? Because now this is referencing to transfer transaction. The first one should be foreign key, the branch transaction ID, or
Where
the arrow is wrong.
the arrow is wrong, I think.
So I
Correct.
think the
That's why I
transfer
told you
transaction.
yes, that's why I told you please create it. Okay. And if you find any correction, correct in your Excel file. Okay. So I can adopt the correction from your side also.
So here, what are we going to do? So we keep branch transaction ID in FCT branch transaction table as primary key, and then make the other one like the
Yes,
previous one
it's a primary
transfer
key. Look at
transaction.
this. No, branch transaction ID is a primary key.
Yeah, but what about the other one from the transaction type master?
Transaction type ID, not master.
No. I'm talking about transfer transaction table
Transfer
down there.
transaction table. Look, 1 minute.
If you
No?
see, yeah, you see the arrow coming from there. Now both of
This
them are
one,
primary key now. Yeah. Look at this arrow. Where is this arrow going?
this arrow going, I think the branch transaction ID table.
FCT,
Yeah,
FCT branch transaction.
here.
No,
So
no, it's
basically
going up.
transaction only always have a 3 or 2 types, no? So here basically we are showing, okay, these are the transaction allowed from which account number and from which beneficiary bank.
No, no, I got that. But if you look at the arrow, so this arrow is, going to
Yeah, this
branch
arrow is
transaction
correct.
ID.
This is, no, acha, okay, understand.
Branch transaction ID. So now both of them are primary key.
No, this is wrong. Okay, leave this one. Just make a blank. I will do it. Okay, I will discuss and done it. Okay, create this column, but don't make a foreign key. I will discuss and then we can. I need to review this one. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
After we create all those tables, we have to create another table, like
No.
bank product and customer
Have
date.
you create all the master table?
Yes.
Now you can create a transaction table. If you see there are lots of transaction table there, no? That
Mm-hmm.
font size, font color is white color. Did you notice that? Some of the table is here that is white color. So it is like this one. Fact.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So create this one. Okay. And tomorrow we will discuss which technology we are using for transferring the data from the Excel file to the SQL Server table. Either we can use SSIS or we can use the SQL Server services. Okay, clear everyone?